Today we are here to present the unique features of this modern detached house along with an estimated construction cost. To build this plan, you should have an average of 350 square meters or more of land. The exterior of the house stands out with a modern and minimalist architectural concept. The stone cladding used on the facade provides a harmonious and modern appearance, blending seamlessly with its surroundings. The large veranda in the design of our house offers the privilege of living in harmony with nature. Upon entering, it provides a warm family atmosphere with one bedroom and one open kitchen living room. Thanks to the practical design of the living room and kitchen, you can spend unique moments with your family and guests. In the bedroom, carefully selected bed-in storage spaces provide an area where you can efficiently utilize our home. The budget you need to allocate for the construction of this house is detailed in the explanation section with the current cost. For all visuals and application plan dimensions of this plan, you can visit our link in the description. Stay tuned for the latest house models and updated costs by following us.